Good morning. We're in Hampton, the beach, right there. You can see the sun coming up. It's a beautiful shot. We're very lucky, fortunate to be working in this area day after day, week after week, year after year. It's just, it's incredible. It's just a beautiful area, beautiful people. We're ready to rock and roll. It's go time, baby. Nice job. Nice job, Garrett. All the memories that were in this place. You know, there's all kinds of kids and that grew up here and grandkids and tons of memories made with the ocean right there, and in an 8-hour period, they're all gone. All you got left is pictures and the memory. That's it. 18 loads out of here yesterday. Yeah. We were moving. Yeah, buddy, we nailed it. Wrap this one up real quick. 2 houses down, foundation gone, all debris hauled off. We don't play around, and for this to happen and see these guys with these green jackets here the day after, you know, everything's got to go right, and it did. And you know, it was part of everybody coming together. The team. Derek working in the back, he's new on the machine, but he did great. And the truck drivers, Danny and laboring, and you know, he's priceless. And Mikey Fern, everything had to click. Bang, 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 bang for this to happen. That's why it's 200.